Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your theme in Yahoo Mail app, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, we need to open our application, the Yahoo Mail app. After this, we have to tap on the three lines button. This opens the main panel, and here the fifth button is the settings. We have to open that. After opening this, we have to scroll down to the general settings, and here the first setting is the themes, and we have to tap on this. And here we can change the theme for each email profile. So here we can tap on the colored rectangle and open this, and here we can change by tapping on the bottom of anything. That's pretty much for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.